This is the King's Son.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are packing cold drinks in our new fridge. So let me tell you a bit story about this fridge. So Coca-Cola, I applied for a fridge and they didn't approve it because there was some criteria that I didn't fit. So yeah, so today yesterday I went ahead and go to Macro and bought a fridge. Obviously I didn't buy it for cash. Yeah, we know, like, we don't have money. So okay, let me show the fridge for now before I pack with you guys. Okay, this is the fridge. As you can see, the stock is already here. I bought a stock also. Yeah, but yeah, this is the fridge. This is for the fridge for you guys. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm super excited. Okay, as you can see here guys, I'm wiping the fridge before I install the shelf and also put the cold drinks inside. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's switch it on and see. Okay, as you can see that now it is on. Let's move on putting on the stock. No, it is so bright. It is so bright. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to switch it off when I knock off, when I'm going to bed, and stuff. I'm not sure if I should switching off the noise though. The noise, I think it's too much. But anyway, we'll survive. We'll survive. can see that the fridge is fully packed now. So I'm gonna be like busy in the afternoon or at night preparing prizes, because for now I'm not selling. So yeah, I'm done now. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yeah, this is the only thing that I can get for now, but definitely when times goes on, like I'll even put more. I know, yeah, but and then there's a stuff that's got left, you know, and then it is full. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you find this video very nice and entertaining, or whatever. If it's not entertaining, just it was nice to watch it. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to press that like button. Yeah, thank you.